Hello everyone, this is Gopi. Welcome to my YouTube channel PowerBI with Gops. Knowledge shared equal to knowledge squared. In this video, we are going to see how to create a simple date table in Power BI using DAX. Let's get started. This video is for the beginners, so we can see how to write a simple DAX query to get the calendar table or date table. So for this demo, we have one dummy data. It's a simple sales table and have one measure, and there is only one date in this particular data, so which is sales date. Okay, let's see how to write the DAX query to get the calendar table. To create a new table, just go to the top ribbon and click on the new table, and just start to write the DAX. So let's name it as date, and we are going to use calendar function. So there is a different ways to create the there is different ways to create the calendar table. So there is different measures which we can use. One is calendar auto and calendar. So in this case we are going to use calendar auto dax function. So calendar auto, what it will do means, so calendar auto dax function will scan your entire model, and it will fetch all the dates, whereas in calendar dax function you need to give the start date and end date. So let's see what this calendar auto is going to return. See, it is returning the date from this model. Okay, so the starting date in this case, in this sales date. So what is the start date and what is the end date? So now with this, we are going to expand this. So we are going to create a month name, quarter wise, so weekdays, whatever you want, we are going to add. So let's see how to do that. So to do that, we need to use one more DAX function which is called as add columns. So it is going to create the new columns, and then so now, so first we want to fetch the year from this date. So let's name the column as year. In double quotes you need to type, and then we are going to use year function, year of date. So we need to select the date column, and let's close this and see how it is going to return. Yeah, you can see the right. You can see this year from this date table, date column, and then now you can further expand how you want. So let's see how to get the month from this. Next column is month. So for that, just we are going to format this date as we are going to use the format function, and we are going to format the date column. The format is under double quotes. You can use 3M for short format and 4M for full name. So let's see what this 3M is going to return. So this is the short name, and if you want in full name, just you can add one more M. So 4M's. So this will return the full name. I need only short name, so just I will use 3M. So now we have date, we have year, we have month, and let's see the quarter. And one more thing is, before the quarter, creating the measure for quarter, we need to create one more important thing, which is the month number, because we want to sort the month. So for that, month number. So just we are going to use the month function and date column. So this is month and date, and this is returning the month number. So this will be very much useful to sort this month column. because when you are using this normally, when you use this month in the visual, so it will be sorted as per the alphabetic wise. But we don't want alphabetic wise, right? We want from Jan to December. So for that use, we can use this particular column and we can sort. And let's add quarter as well. So double quotes, quarter. Again, we are going to format it. Format the date column. So how we are going to format is slash and double Q. So this will return the quarter numbers. Yeah. And further, if you want weekdays or something, you can add that as well. So let's see how to do that. Weekday. So same, we are going to format the date and the format is D. So this will give the short form of the days. Yeah. Now we our date table is ready. So just will convert this date and time into short date format. And the important thing is we need to mark this date as a date table. So that is the one more important thing. So just to create, select on this date table and mark as date table. So select column, we need to select this date and we need to click on OK. Okay. Now let's go to visual pane and see how it is going to work. So let's take on visual. Let's take on column chart. Okay. So revenue and in x-axis, let's see. So this year, I'm going to turn this to don't summarize because we're not going to sum this, and similarly month number. Just turn this to don't summarize. So now x-axis 2020, because since we have only 1 year, and let's see, let's add the month. Let's remove year and let's add the month. Yeah, you can see for anything and everything it is showing. Let's turn on the data label. You can see everything is showing one value. Why? Because we didn't create the relationship, right? So let's go to modeling and let's create a relationship between the date and the sales date. Yeah. Now go back to visual pane and see it is done. But now the issue is in x-axis you can see this is not in the correct order, right? So for this reason only what we need to do means we are going to use this month number. So how to do that? Select the month option and go to sort by column and select month number. Once it is done, just remove the month column and again drag and drop the month so that it will be in the correct order from Jan to December. Then still if you want to add the quarter, you can do that. So and then if you want as per the weekdays also you can add. So however you want, you can do that. Okay. So weekdays doesn't look good here. So just remove this. So quarter one, quarter two, quarter three, because quarter is in first level. So we have the drill down option, and this is for Jan Feb drill up. So you will get the quarter level data. So this is how we need to create the calendar table or date table using the DAX function, and you can use with your model. That's all for today's video. I hope you learned something new from this video. If so, please like this video, share it with your PowerBI friends, and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you very much.